Alright YouTubers, today I'm going to do something different on my channel. I'm going to start adding stuff that I think that can help y'all. We've got this Kenmore dryer, and that's not heating. Everything's working, but it's just not heating. So I'm thinking it's a heating element, and I'm going to show you how to change that. Let's get started. We're going to take off, I think it's 9 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They're little screws just like that, so don't lose them. And this cover will come off. Okay, I just took the last one off, and I guess it might be caught right down there, but this comes off now. Okay, now we're gonna take this connection off, and it's kind of tricky. Okay, what I'm gonna do is take a screwdriver and just kind of pry it back from here, just like that. And what you're trying to do is disconnect it from back here. You see, it's connected back there like one of these, something like that. And I'll show you when I take it out. Just push it right here, put your screwdriver, kind of pry on it. Might have to go through the top here. Try and disconnect it. There. See, it disconnected from right back here. And then right here, it's just got a little hook. This has a little hook right there. And that's what you're gonna put that hole in. And see, it hooks up. That's what we were unhooking it from. See that one? It hooks up right here. Alright, and I don't know if we need to take this one off. We'll look at it here in a little bit. Now you've got, where's the screw? One screw right here, and the other one right here, which I already took off. And those screws are a 1/4 inch socket. So let me start taking this one off. I had a drill, but the battery died on it, so I'm doing it old school. And yes, let's go ahead and disconnect this one. Alright, now I already took off the screw on this side. So let's see how this comes out. Okay, this was held on by 2 screws. These 2 right here. It's got 2 little screws right there. Here's the heating element. And I bought a new one. It cost me $55, and I'll show it to you. And it says on here it's made for Whirlpool and Kenmore. Make sure it looks the same. It's the new one, the old one, same thing. Perfect match. Take that little styrofoam from there and put it on there. Okay, we grab the new one. You slide it in there, and it's a tight fit. Push it in there, and it'll stop just where those bolts align. Okay, we put this, and we got the bolts aligned. Okay, we got these 2 bolts in there. It's secure. Now let's start plugging the connections again. Again, we want to plug this into that far one, but I think the best thing to do is hook it up here from this hole first, and then yeah, there we go, push it in there, get this one, push it in there. That's it. Now we put the cover and we're done. Okay, I'm gonna try it now. I got the back off. If y'all do this, be careful, don't get electrocuted. You start it. Like I said, if y'all do this, do not touch nothing, just to try it out. Check this out. Look how hot that heating element is. It's glowing. you're good to go. Guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate you. Like always, God bless you.